FI 1600 Comfort is a major technological step on your getaway to tomorrow's world. FI 1600 Comfort provides to the fire alarm and detection system all you can expect from today's modern system, including new feature, an ergonomic design, communication with external system, and of course, a perfect compatibility with all existing FI systems.
This new panel offers a more robust and professional cabinet with new design. Replacing only the front panel, you can easily upgrade any of your existing FS 1600 or FS 1600 NE system to the new Comfort 1600. Comfort 1600 offers a new visualization and functionalities such as a touch keypad increasing the speed of activation and visualization, a high-definition color display for real operating comfort, pictures and color indications such as red for alarm and yellow for faults for displaying the different information, shortcuts for commands, time collapsed and remaining for alarm events. Of course, it's possible to change online the language of your choice, as for example, Italian or Russian as well as Arabic and so on. For customization, your personal logo can be also added. For the maintenance of your installation, the front panel Comfort 1600 is able to warn you about the dirt level of your detectors and to upgrade your panel through an SD memory card. A USB port offers the possibility to download memory events to your PC. Moreover, Comfort 1600, through its Ethernet TCP IP port, permits the remote visualization of your front panel on a computer. All these features, while allowing an easy and comfortable migration with the existing installed systems.
In summary, the new front panel, Comfort 1600, offers user-friendly operation, provides an easy and immediate access via the USB and Ethernet ports. It is your gateway to tomorrow's world.